Have you ever wondered what happens to your food after you take a bite? It's quite an amazing journey. Your digestive system is a complex network of organs that breaks down food into nutrients your body can use. From your mouth to your anus, each part of the digestive system plays a vital role in turning food into energy and eliminating waste. Join us on a fascinating expedition as we explore the wonders of digestion step by step. Imagine shrinking down to the size of a breadcrumb. You're about to embark on an incredible journey through the human digestive system. First, you'll enter the mouth, a cavernous space where teeth grind and crush food into smaller pieces. Then you'll slide down the esophagus, a muscular tube that propels you towards the stomach. Get ready for a wild ride. The journey begins in the mouth, where digestion starts with the first bite. Your teeth, like tiny hammers, break down food into smaller pieces. This process, called chewing, is essential for proper digestion. Chewing increases the surface area of food, allowing digestive enzymes to work more effectively. As you chew, your tongue mixes the food with saliva, a watery fluid produced by your salivary glands. Saliva contains enzymes that begin to break down carbohydrates, like starches, into simpler sugars. This mixture of chewed food and saliva is called a bolus. Once the bolus is formed, it's ready for the next stage of its journey. The esophagus is a muscular tube connecting your mouth to your stomach. It's about 10 inches long and lined with smooth muscle. When you swallow, a flap of tissue called the epiglottis closes over your windpipe, ensuring that food travels down the esophagus and not into your lungs. Muscles in the esophagus contract and relax in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. This rhythmic squeezing propels the bolus of food down towards the stomach. Gravity also plays a role, but peristalsis is so powerful that you can swallow food even when you're upside down. Section 4. Churning and burning the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped organ located in the upper abdomen. It acts like a mixing bowl, churning and breaking down the food even further. The stomach walls are lined with millions of tiny glands that secrete gastric juice, a potent mixture of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. Hydrochloric acid kills harmful bacteria that may be present in the food. It also activates pepsin, an enzyme that breaks down proteins into smaller peptides. The stomach's churning action mixes the food with gastric juice, creating a thick liquid called chyme. The chyme is then gradually released into the small intestine. Section 5. Nutrient absorption, the small intestine. The small intestine is where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients takes place. It's a long coiled tube, about 20 feet long, that connects the stomach to the large intestine. The small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. Villi increase the surface area of the small intestine, allowing for maximum absorption of nutrients. As chyme moves through the small intestine, enzymes from the pancreas and liver further break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The villi absorb these nutrients along with vitamins, minerals, and water into the bloodstream. Section 6. Waste removal, the large intestine, rectum, and anus. The large intestine, also known as the colon, is the final part of the digestive system. It's about 5 feet long and wider in diameter than the small intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter, forming solid waste called feces. The feces move into the rectum, the last part of the large intestine, where they are stored until they're ready to be eliminated from the body. The anus, located at the end of the rectum, is a muscular opening that controls the expulsion of feces. This process is known as defecation.